Today we are going to look into the fifth chapter, which is Bahadur Bitto. Now, Bahadur means brave. So, this is the story of brave Bitto. Bitto is the name of a lady. This is a Punjabi folk story. Punjabi Lokada. Lokada means folklore. So, this is a story from Punjabi folklore. Now let's go into the chapter. एक किसान था. There was a farmer. किसान means farmer. उसकी बीवी का नाम था बित्तो. His wife's name was बित्तो. बीवी means wife. एक दिन किसान ने बित्तो से कहा. One day the farmer told बित्तो, सुबह जब मैं खेत में हल चला रहा था. Subah is morning, khet is field, hal is plow. So morning, while I was plowing the field, तो एक शेर ने आकर कहा. शेर, as you all know, is lion. A lion came and said, किसान, किसान, hey farmer, अपना बैल मुझे दे दे. So बैल is bull. Give me your bull, वरना मैं तुझे खा जाऊंगा. Varna is or else. So give me your bull or else I will eat you. बित्तो ने उससे पूछा. बित्तो asked him, तूने क्या जवाब दिया? जवाब is answer. So बित्तो asked him, what did you answer? किसान ने कहा. The farmer said, मैंने कहा तू यहीं रुक. I told the lion, you stay here. मैं घर जाकर अपनी गाय ले आता हूँ. Now गाय is cow. I'll go home and bring back our cow. अगर तू बैल खा लेगा तो हम लोग भूख को मर जाएंगे. If you eat our bull, we will die out of hunger. हम लोग भूख को मर जाएंगे means we will die of hunger. Why did the farmer say that? Because he uses the bull to work in the field. If the lion eats the bull, he cannot work in the field. And his family will have nothing to eat. They will die of hunger. यह सुनकर बित्तो को बहुत गुस्सा आया. When she heard this, बित्तो was very angry. गुस्सा is anger. उसने किसान को फटकारा. She scolded the farmer. फटकारा means to scold, to reprimand. घर की गाय शेर को खिलाते तुझे शर्म नहीं आती? Are you not ashamed to feed our cow to the lion? खिलाते means to feed. अगर गाय चली गई तो घर में ना दूध ना लस्सी. So if there is no cow in the house, that means there won't be any milk or lassi in the house. बच्चे रोटी किस चीज़ के साथ खाएंगे? What will our children eat the bread with? बित्तो को एक तरकीब सूची. तरकीब means plan, an idea. So बित्तो got an idea. उसने कहा, तुम फौरन खेत में जाकर शेर से कहो. She said, you go to the field immediately and tell the lion. फौरन means immediately. And tell the lion कि मेरी बित्तो तुम्हारे खाने के लिए एक घोड़ा लेकर आ रही है. You tell the lion that my wife Bitto is bringing you a horse, घोड़ा, to eat. किसान डरता डरता शेर के पास गया. डर is fear. So किसान was afraid. He was scared. He went to the lion in fear. उसने कहा, शेर राजा, lion king, हमारी गाय तो बड़ी मरियल है. Mariel is thin. It's not fat. So he told the lion, our cow is very thin. उससे तुम्हारा क्या बनेगा? It's not going to make you feel full. It's not going to be enough for you. उससे तुम्हारा क्या बनेगा? मेरी बीवी अभी तुम्हारे लिए एक मोटा ताज़ा घोड़ा लेकर आ रही है. My wife is bringing you a very fatty, juicy horse. बित्तो ने सिर पर एक बड़ा सा पगड़ बांधा और हाथ में दरांती लेकर घोड़े पर सवार हो गई. So pagad is turban. Daranti is a scythe. A scythe is a long blade that farmers use to cut grass. So what did Bitto do? She tied a big turban on her head and she took a scythe in her hand. Then she rode the horse to the field. घोड़ा दौड़ाती वह खेत पर पहुंची. The horse went running to the field. और जोर से चिल्लाई. चिल्लाना is to shout. So Bitto shouted, अरे किसान, हे farmer, तू तो कहता था कि तूने 4 शेरों को फांस कर रखा है. You said you have trapped 4 lions. यहाँ तो सिर्फ एक ही है, but there is just one here. बाकी कहाँ गए? Where are the rest? Where are the other lions? फिर वह घोड़े से उतरकर शेर की तरफ बढ़ी और कहने लगी. Then she got off the horse and walking towards the lion said, अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, नाश्ते में एक ही शेर काफ़ी है. So nashta is breakfast. So what did Bitto say? She said, okay, no problem. Just one lion is enough for breakfast. So you see what Bitto is trying to do here? She's giving an impression that she's going to eat the lion. Bitto is very clever. इतना सुनना था कि शेर डर के मारे कांपने लगा और भाग खड़ा हुआ. So कांपना is to tremble. डर के मारे कांपना is to tremble out of fear. The lion was very afraid that it trembled and ran away. भाग खड़ा हुआ. यह देखकर बित्तो बोली. Then Bitto said, देखो इसे कहते हैं हिम्मत. See, this is what courage is. हिम्मत is courage. तुम तो इतने डरपोक हो कि घर की गाय शेर के हवाले कर रहे थे. डरपोक is a coward. Who is a coward? Coward is a person who lacks courage. Bitto says, you were such a coward. You were trying to trade the cow to the lion. उधर मारे भूखे शेर की आंखें छटपटा रही थी. So आंत is bowels. भूख is hunger. So the lion was very hungry so that its bowels were churning. आंखें छटपटा रही थी. एक भेड़िए ने पूछा. भेड़िए is a wolf. So a wolf was around. He asked, महाराज क्या मामला है? King, what is the matter? आप आज बहुत उदास दिखाई दे रहे हैं. You are looking so sad today. उदास is sad. शेर ने कहा, कुछ ना पूछो, आज मुश्किल से जान बची है. The lion said, don't ask me a thing. I barely saved my life today. आज एक ऐसी राक्षसी से पाला पड़ गया जो रोज़ सुबह 4 शेरों का नाश्ता करती है. I had to escape from such a ferocious demon who eats 4 lions for breakfast. यह सुनकर भेड़िया बहुत हंसा. The wolf laughed a lot hearing this. वह सुबह झाड़ी में छिपकर सारा तमाशा देख रहा था. झाड़ी is bush. The wolf was hiding in a bush in the field and he watched the whole spectacle. What was going on between the lion and Bitto? उसने कहा, भोले बादशाह, वह तो बित्तो थी जिसे आपने राक्षसी समझ लिया था. The wolf said, oh innocent king, that was just Bitto. It was not a demon. आप इस बार फिर कोशिश करके देखिए. You try once more. कोशिश करना is to try. अगर बैल आपके हाथ न आए तो मेरा नाम भेड़िया नहीं. The wolf said, if you don't get the bull this time, my name is not Bhediya. I am even ready to change my name. बहुत कहने सुनने पर शेर किसान के खेत में जाने के लिए तैयार हो गया. The wolf persuaded the lion to go back to the field. लेकिन उसने भेड़िए से कहा, The lion told the wolf, तुम अपनी पूंछ मेरी पूंछ से बांध लो. पूंछ is tail. So what did the lion say? The lion said, you'll have to tie your tail with my tail. Why did the lion say so? Because the lion was very afraid and he wasn't very sure of going back. He needed company. So he asked the wolf to tie their tails together. दोनों जने पूंछ बांधकर चल पड़े. They started walking with their tails tied together. उन्हें देखते ही किसान के होश हवास गुम हो गए. होश हवास गुमना means to lose your consciousness, to faint. Seeing the lion and the wolf together, the farmer almost fainted. वह डर से धर धर कांपने लगा. कांपना is to tremble. He began trembling with fear. लेकिन बिट्टो बिल्कुल नहीं घबराई. But बिट्टो wasn't afraid even a bit. घबराना is to be afraid. भेड़िए के पास जाकर उसने कहा. She went to the wolf and said, क्यों रे भेड़िए? Why wolf? तू तो अभी वादा करके गया था कि तू अपनी पूंछ से 4 शेर बांध कर लाएगा. वादा करना is to promise. So, you just promised me that you would bring 4 lions tied to your tail. लेकिन तू तो सिर्फ एक ही शेर लाया है. But you have just brought 1 lion. वह भी मरियल सा. Mariel is thin. So you have brought just 1 lion, that too very thin. भला इसे खाकर मेरी भूख मिट सकती है? Do you think my hunger is going to go away by eating this lion? भूख मिटाना is to satisfy your hunger. खैर इस वक्त यही सही. Well, for the time being, this is okay. इस वक्त यही सही. इतना कहकर बिट्टो आगे बढ़ी. Saying this, बिट्टो moved forward. शेर के होश हवास उड़ गए. The lion was scared to death. होश हवास उड़ना is to faint, is to lose your senses. So शेर के होश हवास उड़ गए. He was scared to death. उसने समझा कि भेड़िए ने उसके साथ धोखा किया है. He thought the wolf has betrayed him. He thought the wolf was helping बिट्टो to catch lions. वह फौरन वहाँ से भागा. He immediately vanished from there. भेड़िया बहुत चीखा चिल्लाया. चीखा चिल्लाना is to scream and shout. The wolf started shouting. लेकिन शेर ने एक न सुनी. The wolf tried to catch the lion's attention. He wanted to tell the lion that he was not friends with बिट्टो. लेकिन शेर ने एक न सुनी. The lion was not in a mood to listen. तेजी से भागता चला गया. He escaped from there as fast as he could. किसान और बिट्टो आराम से रहने लगे. Now the farmer and बिट्टो started living in peace. उन्हें मालूम था कि अब शेर उनके खेत की तरफ फिर कभी नहीं आएगा. They were so sure that the lion wouldn't come back to their field. Why? Because the lion truly believed that बिट्टो was a lion eater.